For plants to reproduce, there needs to be a male and female part so that fertilization can take place. The male part of a plant is called the stamen. It is made up of the filament and the anther. It is where pollen is made. The female part of a plant is called the pistil or the carpel. The female part of a plant is made up of the stigma, the style, and the ovary. Pollination is the beginning of plant reproduction. Pollination is how plants sexually reproduce. Many plants rely on other animals, especially insects, to help reproduce. Plants first have to attract the pollinators to them by offering nectar and pollen. They then use colour and fragrance to guide the insects to them. The pollen that is used and transported by the pollinator is made by the male part of a plant. When insects enter the flower, they brush against the anthers. The insect then collects the pollen on its body. When that insect goes to another flower, the pollen stuck to its body is transferred to the stigma, causing pollination to occur. The germination of a flower or seed begins when this embryo is exposed to water. The water that has started the growth swells the embryo inside. It bursts the coating around the outside of the seed and sets growth of the plant into motion. The roots are the first part of the plant to develop. The roots penetrate the soil quickly, forming under the soil. While leaves have not yet developed, the seed continues to feed the plant until the leaves have begun to germinate. After the roots have started growing downwards, the stem and the leaves begin to grow upwards. Once the leaves are fully developed, they immediately begin to photosynthesize so that the plant can eat. The plant then continues to grow until it is fully developed.